Let's start. You can choose from different video sources. You can add local videos, any YouTube video you want, or you can do a screen recording. You can merge images and videos, or you can open a previous project, if any. First, you must add a name to your project. Then choose a video source. In this case, we are going to start with a local file on your computer. Just choose one of your videos, and you will be taken to the main interface. Let's pause this video so I can show you around. Let's start with the intro and title panel. Here, you can choose from several 2D and 3D animations. Just use your mouse to point to any of them and preview it on the top screen. You can browse all of them until you find one that you like it. Let's use this one. You can edit the text to add your own text, like your product, service or company name. You can change the default color to any color you want. You can change the font type and the font size to match your desired message. You can add an image or logo. Plus, you can select from one of the included intro tracks and add it to your intro animation after rendering it. Once you are happy with your settings, click on the Add Intro button in order to generate an intro video ready to merge it to the other parts of the project. Once the intro video is done, take a look at the bottom of the software. There, you can see the video production line. There, you will be able to see your progress on real time. Now, to create a title animation, the procedure is very similar than the intro animation. Just select one of the title animations and proceed to edit the text. You can choose any color you want for your text just by clicking on the color palette and choosing your favorite color. You can change the background color easily by using the color palette next to the BKG text. We can add a different gradient by clicking on the select box and then clicking on the gradient button. The animations gets updated after finishing each loop. You can change the font type and the font size easily. Once you are happy with the preview, just click on the Add Title button to create your title animation video. Just wait a few seconds. Like with the intro animations, once your title video is done, you can check at the bottom of the software and see the video production line getting updated. This time the title process has been updated. Now, let's take a look at our main video in the middle of the software. By clicking the play button, you can preview your video, like on any regular video player. You can use the progress bar below to move around any part of your video. To add text over your video, just click on the Add Text button. Change the default text by adding your own message. By clicking on the color palette, you can change the text color. By clicking on the T font, you will be presented with the text dialog. There, you can highlight your text and even change the font type. You can add an arrow to point to important parts on your video. One more thing, you can drag and drop any of the added elements over your video by using your mouse. You can change the arrow shape and angle by using the handlers around it. The green brackets allow you to define the duration of each of the added elements over your video. Just use your mouse to move the green brackets from left to right or from right to left. Only the time gap between the brackets will be considered. The blue progress line under the video is your guide to measure where on the video any of the elements will be displayed. You can add any image you want from your computer, could be a logo, watermark, or even your own pictures. Just click on the Add Image button to add them. To hide any part of your video, you can use the blur feature. The blur will hide specific parts of your videos from praying eyes. You can calibrate the level of intensity of the blur by using the minus and plus signs on the timeline. Next, we can add background music to our main video. just click on the Music tab. Then, preview any of the included music tracks by using the play controls at the bottom of the playlist. Then just click on the green Add button to add your selected music track to the timeline automatically. You have the option to import your own music by clicking on the Import button. You can change the starting or finishing point of your music track by moving the right green brackets on the timeline. By clicking the play button under the main video, you can preview all your changes before adding it to the video production line. To see all the elements of your timeline, just use your mouse and scroll up and down using the sidebar on the right side of the micro video editor. Once ready, you can click on the Add Video button to render your video and add it to the video production line. Let's wait a bit. As you can see at the bottom of the software, the video production line has been updated with your main video. Now, let's take a look at the Outro Maker on the right side of the software. There are 4 templates you can choose from. You can choose local videos as a source, or YouTube videos, or you can choose to use the intro video as an outro. Let's use a local video for this example. Then, you choose one of the outro templates and then click on the Open File button to choose a video from your computer. The video will be added immediately and it will loop for a short duration. Once you get the total duration, you can set the starting point of the preview video. You must click on the refresh button in order to update your changes. I'll say it again, you must click on the refresh button in order to update your changes. Let's choose another template, let's set a video, and let's set a starting point. What is next after setting the starting time? Well done. Clicking on the refresh button. You can do the same for the other templates if you want. You can change the default text under the preview videos. You can change the default duration of the outro video easily. By clicking on the Settings tab, you'll be presented with new options. Here you can choose what sharing icons you want to add on your outro video. You can choose a background color, a gradient or a background image. Let's choose the default gradient, but you can choose any color you want. Let's go back to the main outro tab, just verify all the settings are right. Click the refresh button to be sure about it. And then, proceed to click on the Add Outro button to create your outro video. The last part of the process is where we merge all our videos by clicking on the red Export button at the bottom of the software. Now all the 4 videos will be merged in one video, and you will get your final video in a couple of minutes. Now, you have 2 options. You can choose to upload it to YouTube. Just add your login details and upload it. Or, get access to your newly created video locally by clicking on the Open Folder icon. Let's take a look at our final video. We are watching the intro video first. I like those colors. This intro animation is great. Then the title video. Oh no, the colors of the title video are so ugly. Now we are watching our main video with the overlays. I like this rabbit. For sure he is going to have a great day. And finally, We are watching our outro video. That's it. Now you can create amazing videos with the power of the new Video Producer Pro.